Hi, I'm Jay Schneider, President and CEO of Lake Country Manufacturing, and I want to welcome you to Oconomowoc, Wisconsin, where our headquarters is located. What we're standing in front of right here is a history of Lake Country Manufacturing. My father started the business, bought 3 businesses in 1977. So for 45 years, we've been selling great products. On this wall, you'll see where we started, where we were selling velour powder puffs for putting on makeup. We made sheepskin vests and slippers and leather dice cups, which is a far cry from what we do today. Milwaukee Tool came to us and said, hey, can you make some bonnets and some accessories for our tools? And my dad, being a large car nut, said, yes, we can do that. And that's how the pad business started. What you're seeing right here in front of us here are our latest products, which would be the UDOS 51E from LC Power Tools. It's the first 5-in-1 tool in the market, and our System 4000 pad washer. And everything in between is here on the wall. Over our history, what's differentiated Lake Country from our competitors is our patented technology. We've been blessed to have a lot of smart individuals come up with great ideas that we've been able to bring to market, working with detailers and other people in the industry to find out what the gaps are and improve on them. What I'm standing here in front of is just the 25 of our patents here in the United States, and we have 69 total around the world. Some of these include our CCS technology, our scuff balls, our System 4000 and 2000 pad washers, and a variety of others that we've had over the years. We are proud to have AutoGeek be a supplier of Lake Country products for 20+ years. You can find our products on their website at autogeek.com.